In this video, we are going to show you how to turn off auto scroll on Twitter when you're browsing videos. So for example, we want to turn off auto scroll after watching this cute course video, right? So once you tap on a video and you're watching it, I'm going to show you. Let's fast forward that there. Let's watch it. It's going to auto scroll after the video plays. There you go, right? So if you want to avoid this, it's very, very simple. All you need to do, pause your video, right? And look towards the upper right corner. You have the three dots there. So tap on the three dots like so. This slide will appear on the very bottom, and look towards the very bottom option. It says auto advance. It says enabled. It's enabled by default. What you want to do is tap on this. It's going to be disabled. So once you do this, let's go back and let's play the video. Let's scroll down to the very end, right? Very end. There you go. Let's play the video. And as you can see, it just replays, right? So that is how you turn off auto scroll on Twitter when you're watching or scrolling down for a video. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.